Hey, so today, what I just got finished doing was the oil change. I did a tire rotation, kind of freshened up the engine bay a little bit. You know, got a little shiny in here, got it all nice. I just picked up this car and apparently it's been sitting for a while. So I want to, refresh all of the filters and all of that kind of stuff in the car so that we can get, best performance and best health for the engine. The car sounded beautiful after the oil change. The oil that was in it was way too thin. So we put 2 quarts of 2050 and topped it off with 3.5 quarts of that liquid moly synthetic. You already know.
We gon' work them out. Yeah. I done whipped them baddies out. Getting greedy. Right there in girl, you got me fiendin'. If I say I love you, better know I mean that. Purpose. Cut your frame with purple tint. This ain't worth it. Ain't had no bag with serving nicks. Young them bounced it up. Yo.
This is the last catted pull, so let's see how she does.
Dropping that bag, they gon' hate it. I'm toting that fast and old native. I'm toting that iron like the whole native. I see it in your eyes, you a whole hater. I was raised in the apartment, flow baby. I was doing go hard and go crazy. Where's that stone that was making it rain? Now my wrist like a tornado. Popping it perch, trying to eat it pain. On G-Dope, but ain't no bell. Smoke, I came with flame.
As you can see, shear off, so there's nothing to grab. So I had to cut it and then try to bite it off with my teeth, of course.
Cut your frame with purple tint. This whole had no bag with serving nicks. I done bossed it up. They don't working it. She know I'm a dirty dog. I know she a dirty. Beat up and I'm vibing. Mk5 right beside me. Play the stick like a violin. Yo, when we vibing. Got the top out when we riding. The wind blowing, sun shining. Ooh, I'm flying.
Yeah, it definitely sounds different. Let's see if she boosts any better. Yeah, that's a very different noise. All right, so what happened for the viewers?
What happened? I was going down the hill in 40. I pressed my brakes. I hit some gravel and I flipped 3 times.
Yeah,
That's my story.
I'm sticking to it.
Yeah. I was doing 40.
All right, so it looks like he went off, like his tire went off right there, and then that caused him to hit this big A rock, which made him start flipping. So yeah, there's like rash from the roof on the ground, door handle. That's crazy. Yep, so It's a sad
At
day.
least a concession.
Survived a triple rollover.
No, but in the I saw the whole thing in the inside. And honestly, everything felt like that.
It was quick.
It felt quick. I saw the mirror crack, airbags blown. I think you're right because my glasses flew off afterwards.
Yeah, you got a bruise on your forehead.
Like when I first got here, as a matter of fact, it's swollen now.
It's swollen right there.